Hey, welcome to the Electronics channel. This is just a quick video to show how to convert from a Y circuit to a Delta circuit. Now this is actually a question from a set of exercises, and you can find the description, or you can find the link in the description below to that set of exercises. And so I'm just going to go through solving this example without much explanation to the theory behind it. So basically what we want to figure out is what are the three resistor values, that should be a B right there, RA, RB, and RC, that will give a circuit that's equivalent to the Y circuit over there. And we have some pretty straightforward equations for each of RA, RB, and RC that we can write out so that it can help us solve to figure out what the circuit looks like. RA is equal to RD times RE plus RE times RF plus RD times RF, all divided by RF. RB is actually the exact same numerator. RD RE plus RE RF plus RD RF, but this time divided by RE. And the value for RC is again the same numerator, RD times RE plus RE times RF plus RD times RF, this time divided by RD. And if we plug the numbers into the equation here, we'll get 50 times 600 plus 600 times 200 plus 50 times 200, all divided by RF, which has a value of 200. RB has the exact same numerator, and that value is 160,000. I don't want to write all this out again. Not divided by 200, divided by RE, which has value of 600. And then RC, same numerator, 160,000, but this time divided by RD, which is 50 ohms. So if I plug these numbers into a calculator, which I haven't actually done yet, I will get 160,000 divided by 200 gives me 800 ohms for RA. 160,000 divided by 600 gives me 266.7 ohms for RB, and 160,000 divided by 50 gives me 3,200 ohms for RC. So if I put those values back into this delta network here, I will have equivalent circuit to this initial Y network that I started with. And like I said at the beginning, check the links in the description below for where this problem set came from, and you can actually find a few more problems there as well. All right, thanks so much for listening. See you in the next video. Bye for now.